Hi, my name is Kevin Shah and I welcome you to the Music Museum. It's an honor and an absolute privilege for me to speak about this beautiful art form, the tabla. As you can see, the tabla is a two-piece drum and is one of the most prominent instruments in the country India. Apart from India, it's recognized everywhere in the world. Its versatility makes it so. I'll be talking a lot more about it in the second part of my video. About me, I'm a music educator, facilitator, and singer-songwriter. I have been learning tabla for the last 15 years and rigorously practicing it for the last 8. Apart from tabla, which is a percussion instrument, I also play the dholak, another Indian drum, the cajon, drums, and the African instrument djembe. Alongside all these percussion instruments, I also play the ukulele, keyboard, and I sing. Now, this was me from a performing artist point of view. As an educator and facilitator, I develop music-based programs for school settings and for corporate settings. Even though I work with all demographics, my passion deeply lies in working with children. So apart from working with mainstream kids, I also work with neurodiverse kids. For them, I do something called as adaptive learning or adaptive teaching, which is me basically teaching them an instrument of their choice, but doing it a little differently and not in the old traditional orthodox method. Through teaching them an instrument of their choice, I also work on their non-musical goals. Now, before I get into the details of how and why this instrument is so versatile, I'd like to tell you the story about how this instrument was born. Now, tabla is an old and ancient instrument and it's a part of the Indian music tradition. The problem with any old and ancient tradition is most of its history is not documented. It's the same case with the tabla. Because of which, there are a lot of stories as to how this instrument was invented or born. I'd like to tell you one such story which was passed on to me, which was handed down to me by my teacher, my guru. This story takes place in the court of the great King Akbar. Akbar was a lover of art. He used to respect every art form. And that's exactly why artists and performers from all over the world used to come and perform and present for him. One such time, there was a duel between two percussion players. The instrument they were playing was a pakhavaj, which is another Indian drum, but it's big, sonorous and horizontally played, unlike the tabla, which is a vertically played instrument. Like any other competition, one of the players realized he's going to lose this battle. So out of sheer frustration, he picked his drum and he banged it onto the floor. As a result, the drum broke into two pieces. He picked it up, placed it vertically and started playing it. He realized that even after it being broken, the instrument could speak. When you translate this bit into Hindi or Urdu, it sounds like toot gaya tab bhi bola, tab bhi bola, bola, tabla. And that's how this instrument was born and the term tabla was coined.